Angola, officially Republic of Angola, formerly Portuguese West Africa, country, Southern Africa. Its northernmost section of coastland, the Cabinda exclave, is separated from Angola proper by a narrow corridor of Congo territory. Area: 481,354 square miles, 1,246,700 square kilometers. Population: 2022 Est. 33,013,000. Capital: Luanda. The population is made up of mostly Bantu-speaking peoples. The main ethnic groups are the Ovimbundu and the Mbundu. Languages: Portuguese, official, indigenous languages. Religions: Christianity, mostly Roman Catholic, also Protestant, also traditional beliefs. Currency: kwanza. The country contains several plateau regions, which separate it into three distinct drainage systems. One in the northeast drains into the Congo River basin, and another, in the southeastern sector, drains into the Zambezi system. The remaining drainage, westward into the Atlantic, provides most of Angola's hydroelectric power. About half of the land area is forest. Less than 10% is arable. With the exception of the development of the country's substantial petroleum reserves, Angola's economy has long been unable to take advantage of its natural resources because of the devastation caused by the protracted civil war. Angola is nominally a unitary multiparty republic with one legislative house. Its head of state and government is the president. An influx of Bantu-speaking peoples in the first millennium CE led to their dominance in the area by circa 1500. The most important Bantu kingdom was Kongo. South of Kongo was the Ndongo kingdom of the Mbundu people. Portuguese explorers arrived in the early 1480s and over time gradually extended their rule. Angola's frontiers were largely determined by other European powers in the 19th century, but not without strong resistance by the indigenous peoples. Resistance to colonial rule led to the outbreak of fighting in 1961, which led ultimately to independence in 1975. Rival factions continued fighting after independence. Although a peace accord was reached in 1994, forces led by Jonas M continued to resist government control until his death in 2002. A lasting peace accord was signed shortly thereafter, ending 27 years of civil war. Angola made its Olympic debut at the 1980 Summer Games in Moscow.